This family of 5 has been without air conditioning for 8 days. They say the temperature inside can get to 90 degrees, even higher.
We usually stay bunched up in the master bedroom.
Cody Klaus, a military veteran and a father, is out $1,000 after contacting an air conditioning repair company on the Let Go app, which turned out to be a bogus company.
It's definitely been awful. It's been an awful experience.
Klaus says a man and a woman arrived at his house with this unit, which turned out to be broken too. He says the unit never got replaced. Instead, the couple ripped out his old unit, stealing copper, their money, and just taking off.
She had that thing stripped completely down, was clipping wires, stripping it, took all the coil, all the inside copper out.
Klaus not able to get in touch with the pair until I called today. I was interested in getting an air conditioning unit, and after a series of questions, actually, John, this is Patrina Adger with KOCO 5 News. Cody says he doesn't know how much longer he and his family can continue this summer without AC.
We spent everything that we could.
The McLean County Sheriff's Office says they're now looking into this bogus company so more families aren't ripped off. Patrina Adger, KOCO 5 News.